Welcome back to English practice.
Learn 20 everyday English words with examples. Phone. I left my phone at home. Bag. She put the book in her bag. Keys. I can't find my keys. Wallet. He took money from his wallet. Shoes. My shoes are too small. Chair. Please sit on the chair. Table. We had dinner at the table. Door. She opened the door. Window. The window is open. Light. Turn off the light, please. Car. My car is very old. Bus. The bus is late today. Water. Can I have some water? Coffee. He drinks coffee every morning. Bread. I bought fresh bread. Money. I don't have enough money. Friend. My friend lives in London. Family. I love my family. Work. I go to work every day. Home. Let's go home now.